Hey everyone, today being another amazing day, let me take you through what graphic design is and how you can make money from doing it. It is not difficult to do graphic design, so just lend me your ears and you'll know how to get started. Graphic design is arrangement of visual elements and text in a project such as a magazine, website, or even a book. The whole essence of this is to capture the user's attention. You see, that's all it is. So simple. How do you get started on graphic design? Now that you know what it is, you need to learn first, assuming that you're new to this. Just visit Udemy and Canva Design School and get to take their courses on this topic for free. In graphic design, you need to learn both the theory part and practical or rather hand-on skills. So at the end of your free course of the two websites that I've mentioned, ensure the following. You learn the history of graphic design, you master the graphic design principles and process, you geek out on typography, which relates to the way a copy is formatted and arranged within a layout, study the fundamental of color, learn graphic design terminology, master graphic design programs. Under this, choose wisely which programs or softwares to use, because they go hand in hand with the quality of your work. Luckily, I have outlined them for you, so you don't have to worry. They are Adobe Illustrator, Adobe InDesign, Adobe Photoshop, and Figma. Get relatively inspired, get social, and market your skills. To get more on this, watch my video on social media marketing by clicking the link in the description below. The last one is for you to join graphic design groups and networks. Learning graphic design is the first step and we've exhausted it. Now let's see what you can do with your skills. You can do visual identity graphic design, marketing and advertising design, user interface graphic design. This one requires some bit of coding, but with the help of AI like ChatGPT, then it becomes so easy to maneuver. Publication graphic design, packaging graphic design, motion graphic design. This might apply to animations or even videos and their intros. Environment graphic design, art and illustration graphic design. As a good graphic designer, you can make around $45,000 a year working only a few hours per day. Therefore, this is your chance to get up from your comfort zone and do this. The good thing about this is that it doesn't take you so long to learn. So the gap between you and money is so minute. I've taken my time to break down for you how you can make money from graphic design. Now take a minute to like this video, leave a comment and hit the subscription button, then turn on the notification bell to get all the notifications when you upload new videos on businesses you can try out. See you.